Ever wondered how being full of energy can help you choose the best job? Having lots of energy is key when thinking about what job you might do. If you're full of energy, you can choose from many different jobs. Here are 20 jobs that might be right for you. Think about being a paramedic. This job needs lots of energy. Paramedics need to be quick in emergencies. Their energy helps them act fast, and this can save lives. Next, let's talk about firefighters. They often face tough situations like fighting big fires. Their energy helps them handle the heat, put out fires, and save people. Ever thought about being a personal trainer? They need lots of energy to motivate their clients and show them different exercises. This energy helps their clients work hard. What about being a construction worker? Construction work is hard and needs workers to have lots of energy. They need to lift heavy things and work long hours. How about being a professional athlete? They need lots of energy to train hard and compete at the top level. This energy helps them perform and last longer. Sixth, let's talk about police officers. They often find themselves in tough situations where they need lots of energy to respond and keep the community safe. Ever thought about farming? It's a job that needs hard work and strength. You'll need lots of energy to plant, take care of, and pick your crops. Or think about being a nurse. Nurses often work extra hours and need lots of energy to take good care of their patients. Next, let's talk about chefs. They work in high-energy environments and need lots of stamina and efficiency to make meals quickly. Have you thought about being a dancer? Dancers need lots of energy to perform complex dances and entertain their audience. Next, we have couriers. They need lots of energy to deliver packages on time. They often have to rush through busy roads and climb many stairs. Ever thought about being a soldier? Soldiers need lots of energy to get through tough training and complete hard missions. What about being a mountain guide? These professionals need lots of energy to guide climbers through tough terrains. Next, let's talk about lumberjacks. They need lots of energy to cut down trees and move heavy logs. Have you thought about being a tour guide? This job needs lots of energy because it involves leading groups around cities, often walking for many hours each day. How about being a physical therapist? They need lots of energy to help patients recover and do rehab exercises. Or think about being a landscaper. This job needs lots of energy to design, build, and maintain gardens and outdoor areas. Next, let's talk about wildlife rangers. They need lots of energy to look after big areas and protect animals. Have you thought about being a fitness instructor? As a fitness instructor, you would need lots of energy to lead classes and motivate people. Lastly, number 20. Think about being a circus performer. Performers need lots of energy to do daring tricks and entertain audiences. In the end, we can see that having lots of energy is important in many jobs. If you have lots of energy, you can do many things. So, moms and dads, think about getting a DMIT report for your child. It could help them find out what they're good at and guide them towards a job they'll love. The future is waiting, and with the right information, it can be shaped just how you want it.